So I'm opening up my brand new Keurig single cup coffee maker, and my conference is 2 weeks away, so I will actually be consulting this thing quite often between now and then. So there's the manual. Ooh, sampling. And the other thing that is nice is that my husband likes really strong coffee, and I like really foo-foo, flavory coffee, like the chocolate donut. So we don't have to argue over what kind of coffee to get. Okay, so it's ready to brew. Stick it in, close it, hit brew, and actually this is nice, 3 different sizes. And it brews really quickly, and it also is really good coffee. And what's nice about this too is you don't have to want coffee at the same time as everyone else. So there, done, and that's it.